This is not just another business mastermind. This is for the ones who are ready to live from their heart, to align their purpose, build something meaningful, and create a life that actually feels like freedom. Hi, I'm Fed, and I spent years developing the exact framework that allowed me to scale the Shamanic Activations Academy, generating over £35,000 in a single month. But more importantly, doing it in a way that felt in total alignment with who I am and what I love. I've decided to open the doors to a very small group of heart-led coaches, healers, and creators for a brand new 6-month Be in Your Heart Mastermind. It's an intimate, hands-on container where I'll be sharing the exact strategies, tools, and energetic frameworks that help me grow my business without burnout, without compromise, and without losing the soul of my mission. But I'll be honest, this is not for everyone. This is for the ones who are ready to rise, ready to commit, ready to give it everything they've got. Because whilst I know this process works and it's changed my life and so many others, there are no guarantees unless you show up fully. If you bring your heart, your dedication, your willingness to grow, I'll bring everything I have. My frameworks, my wisdom, my time, and my full support to help you manifest the business and the life you dream of. We'll work closely together. You'll get direct mentorship, live calls, strategy support, and access to incredible tools that help you align your energy, refine your message, build your offers, and scale sustainably. Because the truth is, when your business flows from your heart, abundance becomes the natural outcome. To honor the first launch of this mastermind, I'm offering a special discounted rate in exchange for honest feedback and a testimonial, because I want this container to grow and evolve through real experience. There are only 10 spaces available so that I can give each person the level of personal support they deserve. If this speaks to you, if you can feel that nudge in your heart right now, then it might be your moment. Apply below to join the Be in Your Heart Mastermind, and let's create the freedom, fulfillment, and flow your soul's been calling for. Because when you're in your heart, everything flows.